A very warm welcome to Success EduTech. Today we are going to know about states of matter. Matter, what is matter? Matter includes everything around us. Now, as you have seen in this picture, now you see there is a farm and there is a dog and there are few people who are playing with that. There are French fries, cold drink, burger, bed, music system, many things. Everything around us is called as matter. Okay. Now see here also, if you can see the picture, there is a playground, there are slides, and there is a small greenhouse or hut or solar system. Everything around us is matter. Yes, everything, everything and everything. Everything is matter. Matter on earth is usually one of these states. It's either solid, liquid, or gas. Any one state it can be. Solids. What are solids? See the ship here or the cycle. We know that when matter is a solid because of solids keep their shape unless they are broken. So matter is solid unless and until you break it, they are of same shape and they do not flow or they cannot pour. But what are liquids? See the here it is oil and water and cold drink or juice. So these are the liquids. We can tell when the matter is a liquid because liquids do not keep their own shape. They take the shape of the container they are in. Now what happened here? See, this is a beaker and this is an a lentimeter and this is a cylinder. So what happened here? It has taken the shape of beaker, it has taken the shape of this container, and then it has taken the shape of the cylinder. So wherever you pour the water, may it be you can take a small container and pour it there, it will take the shape of that container. If you take a bottle and take the pour it into it, it will take the shape of bottle. Take a pot and pour this water into it, it will take the shape of pot. And liquids flow or pour oil being poured on a salad. What do you see? Now you can see that it is already in a cylinder type bottle, and when you are pouring into a plate, it takes the shape of that plate. Then what about sand, sugar, and salt? Don't they pour and flow and take the shape of the container they are in? If you magnify sand or sugar, you can see they are not liquids. Sand, salt, sugar are made up of very small particles that have their definite shape. They are solids. They have their definite shape. But when sugar or salt is mixed into water, they take the shape of that container and they are become the soluble substance. Now, the third state of matter is gas. Now, you can see this child, he is blowing air or gas into the balloon. A balloon or a bubble are just the containers that hold a gas. For us, gas is usually the air. Now, we can see the balloon or these bubbles, they have air inside it. There are other gases besides the gases in air. These are the balloons that contain gas, that is helium. Helium, which is lighter than air, so that if you leave them, they just go into the air. Air, like all gases, takes the shape of the container and expands to fill its container. Now, if you blow air into this heart-shaped balloon, it takes the shape of that. If you blow into this cartoon-shaped balloon, it takes the shape of that. Similarly, if you take this Mickey Mouse balloon and blow air into it, it takes the shape of that. Most gases include the gases in the air are invisible. You simply cannot see them. Yes, obviously, if you see this jar, there is air inside it, but can you see it? No, you cannot see it. However, do you know that the air, when it moves things like this, like windmill, what do you require? You require wind to move it. Wind moving the air causes the windmill to rotate. So we require this windmill to rotate. What do we need? We need air to rotate. Or when we use the gas in your lungs to blow out the candle, suppose it's a birthday and you want to blow out the candle, we know every birthday we blow out the candle. So what do? We use our lungs to blow out the air which blows the candle. Can you name three states of matter? Can you tell the differences of these three states of matter? Okay, now if you see what is this state of matter? This is a liquid. What is this? It's a solid. And when we boil the liquid, then it forms the gas, the bubbles inside an invisible gas is called as water vapor. These are the three states of matter which we will be knowing in the next lecture. That is in my lecture 2. I'll be telling you more details about the states of matter. Till that, like, subscribe, and comment on my lectures. I'll come up with more such interesting lectures with more such examples. And please like it, and stay tuned for my next lectures. Thank you and have a nice day.